Hello everybody and welcome back to a new video on my channel. And today is otherwise than I said in a post. I'm not going to show you what I sneak peeked in that post, but I'm going to do an opening, and here's why. Because as of right now it's already 30 degrees outside, and I know that I need for the other video that I was planning around about 30 to 35 minutes, which will, I don't know if I can make that with the heat before my phone overheats and doesn't save the video because it shuts down. And yeah, nonetheless, I want to make a video for you, and today we are going to make a small unboxing. Okay, well, not. I have brought 10 cars today. Out of these 10 cars, we are opening 9, and the remaining one model is going in my sealed collection. And yeah, with nothing else to add, let's get started. These we're gonna put to the side. At first, I'd like to start with a really nice car from the 2023 Hot Wheels mainline, which was actually in that case that it came with. It was actually a supercharged. Sadly, I only have the DUT version, but the DUT version is great nonetheless. And of course, I'm talking about the Renault Sport RS01 in this really beautiful red with white colors. Looks really nice. On the spoiler we have the Renault, as we had multiple times already. Sadly, no real details, but overall it's a really nice, great casting. I love that they match the white rims to the white details on the car, and the white also is a nice contrast to the black and red of the entire car. Nice. Next up, we have from the 2025 Hot Wheels mainline a new for 2025 model, the 96 Dodge Viper GTS. And this model is actually quite interesting. I love it as it is right here, but I heard, I can't say for sure as of right now, but I heard, my English is already. I've seen some TikToks and got some information from a friend that this car may be a treasure hunt, or even a super treasure hunt. I don't remember. One of the two, a treasure hunt or super treasure hunt. It's going to be next year, which is actually quite surprising and exciting in my opinion, because I actually really love this model. Please focus on the car and not my fingers. Really nice car. Next up, we actually have a long cord, as you can see by the size, which is a Mazda RX-7. I think this is a international case long cord nonetheless, but it is actually from, I hope it's somehow visible to the camera, it's actually from 2021 Hot Wheels mainline, which is really nice and interesting. Come on. Long cords are pretty interesting in my opinion actually, because over here in Germany you normally don't get long cords, you get mostly short cords, which is really nice. And yeah, but nonetheless I don't think either one of the two versions of these cards are any different in rarity or anything like that. And this Mazda RX-7 is a really nice and beautiful car. Sadly no front and rear details, which is quite sad, but it's still a nice casting. Next up we have the 2020 Ford Mustang Shelby GT500 from the 2025 Hot Wheels mainline. Come on. Why don't you want to open? Here we have it. Really nice car. I actually really love this orange bronzish color. Looks really nice. And we got a little nice Shelby logo in the front grille. Not painted or anything, but if it's visible, it's a really nice one. And we are going to do these three really quick after one another. At first we have the Bugatti Bolide in its red color from the 2024 Hot Wheels mainline. We've got this one actually as in a blue and black as a chase version in a Hot Wheels premium set. I think it's called Euro Speed. When I'm recording this video, I just came home from another hunt, and in the store where I got the Hot Wheels Legends Tour Porsche 935, I've actually saw the Pininfarina and the McLaren Solos GT from this Eurospeed premium set, but I didn't pick them up yet because I didn't have enough money with me to buy enough of these to keep both, open them up and keep another one sealed. So yeah, but if I have money and they have them still in stock, I will surely get them, because I love the Pininfarina Battista and the McLaren Solos GT. And this Bugatti is actually a really nice model car as well. Nice details, rear lights, really nice. Next up, we're going to do the entire Gordon Murray Automotive family with the T50S and T33. And the start will be the T50, which was released in 2024 as the first one of the two. For the T50S, there's also this teal color, tricolor already, which looks really nice. I have it in my collection, but didn't find it a second time just yet. But I'm still happy about this one. And again, this bronze color, as with the Shelby, it looks really nice. This one is more into the orange direction, or orange and red, than this one, but both of these still look really great and really nice in my opinion. And the Gordon Murray T Automotive T33, which is a new for 2025 casting, as you can see by the 2025 in the top right corner, is actually a really nice model car. And on this one you actually get, if I can open it up actually, alright. Now, and on this one you get actually on the front and on the rear all the details, but with this gray silver finish, it looks really great, and that makes it even better in my opinion. I actually, from both of these, I actually prefer the T50S, even though the T33 has some, I guess, cuteness to it. Can you say that? I don't know. Because of the, I'm gonna say, smile in the front, whereas this one obviously looks a bit more aggressive. And yeah. Now in my post, I spoiled one of the last three cars. I'm going to show the back. Two of the three cars we are gonna go through now are Matchbox and a Hot Wheels. And the Hot Wheels one I actually spoiled already in a short and in the post, because I finally found my first mainline Hot Wheels Ferrari, and I found the Ferrari 365 GDB for Competizioni, which is actually really nice model. And of course we're gonna open this one up as well, because why not? I don't plan on reselling these at any time soon, so, and I don't really collect them sealed as well, so I'm not really sad about it actually. And yeah, looks really nice actually. No rear details, but we got front and side details. Actually the side looks sick in my opinion, especially with the exhaust on the bottom. It looks absolutely sick, and from like this like slanted view it looks really nice. I am definitely glad I got that. What I'm also glad about to find, or finally find, is from the Matchbox series the number 86 of 125 cars, which is also a new for 2025 model. Of course, I'm talking about the 2004 Maserati MC12, and I actually got luckily 2 of these, and one we are going to open right now, and the other one I'm gonna keep sealed for my sealed collection. You're gonna go to the side, and we are gonna go and open up. Here you can see new. I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this. Is this French? I mean, it's probably mean the new, the same as the English new for 2025 thing, but since I can't speak French, I will not attempt to do it. Okay, I'm actually super glad I found this one because I was searching for it for so long. Here's the base, 2004 Maserati MC12, and the rear looks already really great. Even though I'm gonna have to say, and I'm sorry Matchbox and Mattel to do this, but couldn't you have added like some mesh print or I don't know to it instead of this just black? Because the IRL version isn't just black here, it has some mesh on it because the I'm sorry, the engine sits in the back, so the hot air and exhaust fumes, down here we have the exhaust obviously, is gonna come out like this, so having a mesh like over here would have been really nice and realistic, but I'm fine with how it looks. It looks really great in my opinion, and I love it. And we got actually all, as we got it pretty much for all the Matchbox castings, all the details for exhausts. I think are these printed on? I think they are printed. Yeah, I mean I don't care if they are printed or a separate piece. It looks great. The rear lights are actually realistic. The spoiler looks great as well. And here we have the car itself. This front, and again sadly no mesh no mesh done to it, but it looks great in my opinion. The lights look quite okay, even though I wish they would go a bit around the corner, because if you compare it to the art on the car and the real life car, the light goes a bit over the curve. But I don't know how difficult that would be to print on a model car in this scale, so maybe they didn't do it because of that. So I guess take it with a grain of salt, and yeah, I love to have it of course. Some nice interior, and we got some, actually a bit of, even though it's really hard to see, some engine details, some really easy one. I hope we get this one in a Matchbox collector series with the removable hood or engine cover in this case. Matchbox Mattel, please do it. I would love to see it, and I would buy all the stock you have if you would do it. I would go into crippling debt for 25 years, but I love the MC12. I don't actually know why I love this car, but something about this car just fascinates me. I don't know how to explain it, but I guess because it is 2004 and since I'm born a year later and I've pretty much grew up with it and it becoming really, really rare over the time. Maybe because of that? I don't know. And yeah, these two cars will obviously be the highlights of this video, but I think none of the other cars should be left behind in any way. And yeah, with this we are already at the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching until the end. If you enjoyed, please consider liking and subscribing because it helps me out a lot. And we are super close to reaching 400 subscribers on this channel, and it would mean so much to me if we could reach that that milestone. And yeah, thank you so much for watching until the end. I hope you have a great day and weekend ahead of you. Let me know your thoughts of these cars in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!